Hey, what's going on, Credit Repair Team? It's Coach D here, coming to you guys this evening. I'm sitting out on my front porch and I was thinking about you guys. And I wanted to come on and share a quick tip. So, Coach D's play of the day is the best known secret of true credit repair. I'm not going to tell you quite yet. You got to hang out till the end. But I was thinking about we were celebrating one of our recent customers. They graduated our program. They went from mid fives and 600s to mid seven and 800. And it was just awesome to celebrate that success with them. But then I got thinking about, well, what is success? How did we determine success with this client? Did we determine success by the fact that they were mid seven and 800 credit score? I mean, that's great. Don't get me wrong. That is phenomenal, and that's what we are here for. But that's really not all of it, and really not even the major factor behind it. And I'll share that with you. Um, but in order to share that, let me say it this way. There are particular views that we have about money, and those money views are really the foundation that we have to look at. Okay. One of those views, and I'm going to share five of them with you. One of those views, for most people, they view money as a mystery. It really is a mystery to them. They don't know really what it's for or how to use it. It just, you ask them, and it's like, I don't know. So I can buy stuff, so I can do this or that, or, it's a mystery. And it could be obviously very dangerous. Okay. Another thing is money is a major for a lot of people. What do I mean by that? Well, major is kind of at that point where you now idolize money. It is a major thing in your life. And you have to be very careful of that. Money as a major can cause you to make decisions and choices that you wouldn't want to make typically. And so always check where you're at with your money view. Another one is money as a motivator. Now, this one isn't necessarily bad. Let's say you have a particular pay plan where you can make more based on your performance, right? And so it motivates you to educate yourself, better yourself in your profession, so that you can earn more. So money can be a motivator, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. Okay. Another view is money as a monument, another very dangerous thing, because to you it's all about the things that you may be able to get as monuments for others to see what you've achieved and what you can do, and what you've done. And obviously, a very dangerous thing, okay? But the best view of all, in my estimation, is money as a means. See, money is a means. There is no necessarily good or evil. That's not dictated by money in and of itself. It's dictated by the person who holds the money. And that's where our hearts come into play. Okay? And so money is just that. It's just a means. And so check your view, check yourself. And it's important to ask yourself those questions. Where am I at? How do I view money? Because here's the reality. Even for me, I've probably touched each one of those at a certain point in my life, if I'm being transparent. I probably viewed it as one point as an idol, and it was a major in my life. I definitely did at one point didn't have a clue as to what money was or how even to use it. It definitely has been a motivator for me, especially being in the sales industry for so long and having being on commission. And so it motivated me to do better and to be able to earn more for my family. And I definitely now am at the point where it is a means for me. It's just a means. And that's then dictated by my heart and who I am as a person. But I see money as a means. And so I want you to ask yourself these questions here. What are you doing right now to educate yourself on money? What can you do to educate yourself on money? And where are you currently at with your money view? It's not right or wrong, but it's good to ask yourselves where you are at so that you can then get to the point where you see money as a means. Now, here's the secret that I've been promising to share with you. The secret is in my estimation, true credit repair, it's not about the credit score. It's about the education for our clients. Did we do enough for our clients to make sure that they were educated about money? Did we do enough to make sure that they never have to come back to us again? Because, see, that's true credit repair success. When I don't have to see my clients anymore and I can celebrate the fact that they are where they desire to be, and now they can change their lives and their children's lives. And that's the whole goal here, guys. And that is what a true credit repair company is about. It's about educating our clients for the future. And so I appreciate you listening tonight. That is a tip from Coach D, Coach D's play of the day. Guys, if you have questions, anything, please reach out to me, reach out to our company. You can reach us at www.guaranteesolutions.com. Again, that's, I like to say, guaranteed with two R's. Again, guaranteesolutions.com. You can also follow me on Instagram at the Credit Coach 01. Again, that's at the Credit Coach 01. You can reach us at 616-800-1017. Guys, have a great night. And as I always say, let's get it.